My name is Margaret Bazurko. I'm the president of SensComp, located in Livonia, Michigan. SensComp was created when we purchased the ultrasonic sensor and component division from Polaroid. Our products are non-contact sensing devices. We've subsequently added to the product line with a lot of electronics.
I've had the pleasure of working with Margaret Bazurko and her management team for approximately 7 years. The engagement has centered around adopting Focus 4, which is the SBDC's business management system designed for small and medium-sized businesses.
When I became president of SensComp, my challenges were in having an in-depth understanding of the financial and other data needed to make necessary decisions to manage the business. I attended a workshop at the Edward Lowe Foundation, and there I learned about the Michigan Small Business Development Center, and I reached out to them for assistance.
Some of the tools that SensComp adopted are the scorecard, which is a weekly report for key performance indicators, plus quarterly meetings where the management team plans their rocks for the next quarter.
Dan attends all of our bi-weekly management meetings where we look at the scorecard numbers and compare them to our goals. Dan is there for guidance, and I'm impressed with the excellent understanding he has of our business. The big picture is scaled growth. Just a few days ago, we released a new e-commerce website, and just yesterday we received our first 2 e-commerce orders from international customers, and we are also developing new technology, a radar sensor.
My greatest pleasure being part of the SBDC growth team is all the hardworking, intelligent business owners and their management teams that I've had the pleasure to work with. Many of them, like Margaret Bazurko, have become lifelong friends.
I'd like to say thank you to Dan and the Michigan Small Business Development Center for being part of SensComp's A team and for their unwavering commitment to SensComp's success.